To Business Lunch. I'm Nisha Podar and with me is Sonia Shenoy today, and we are here in a festive mood. As you can see, we are celebrating Mahanavami and also Dussehra. So wish all our viewers very, very warm greetings for the festivities from Sonia, myself and from the entire team of Business Lunch. But Sonia, even the markets are in festive cheer today with Dussehra tomorrow, Diwali, really starting. And today the markets are really buoyant, recouping for a lot of lost ground in the last few weeks that we have
and
seen.
Happy Dussehra to you in advance and to all our viewers. It is clearly festive cheer, right? I mean, it's befitting the market move today. It would have been a dampener if the market had sulked, but the ferocity of the pullback is something that people are quite surprised with on the upside. No one expected a 1200-point rally on the Sensex, but so be it. And it's led a lot by the consumer-facing stocks, right?
Yes.
So whether it's the autos, whether it's the auto financiers like M&M, whether it's the D-Marts of the world reporting very good numbers. So I think consumption is back in a big way, and that's the theme.
And also metals are shining today. So that is also adding a lot of thrust. And of course, we have to look at the several pockets. But there is broad-based participation when we really look at the overall market. And as Sonia said, the consumption theme, that really is intact because in festivities, there is a hope of a lot of buying and lot of the economic activity to be really active because of the festivities and people really spending once a year during Diwali. Now, Nifty 50, 2% up, 17,248 level at the moment. Bank Nifty is where the most amount of action is. Remember, whenever there is nervousness, it's the bank which leads the charge downwards. And when there is really a big rebound and a recovery like today, it's the banks really outperforming, 2.77% up in trade at the moment as we speak. Mid-caps not too far behind. Actually, marginally, they are outperforming the key indices today. And advanced decline ratio, no surprises at all. Very few declines compared to the advances that we are seeing, Sonia.
Absolutely. So let's take it to all the top stories now. Escorts and M&M, two companies reported very strong set of tractor sales for the month of September. In fact, earlier today, we had a chance to speak to the managements of both companies to get an outlook for the sales going ahead. The big takeaway really is that both companies have raised their guidance for the full year. M&M has raised it from earlier 3 to 5% to 5% plus, while Escorts has raised it to 5 to 7% on the back of very good numbers coming through in the month of September. Take a look.
In the latest estimates on growth released by TMA, which is Tractors and Mechanization Association, we have come up with a 5% plus growth number there. So I think that 3 to 5 band is now 5% plus in that sense. I think all that phantom demand has been serviced well by us and other players in the industry. How I would see it is that interest rate and upcycle is always a dampener for any industry that you would say, especially the industry like auto and tractors, which are like heavily financed. I think there are some more price increases that the industry will have to take in the remainder of this year. So a combination of price increases and commodity softening will bring our margins up. We continue to be the most profitable tractor company, and we intend to keep doing that on a regular basis. We will maintain a market share upwards of 40%. And in fact, as I said, we will gain some market share over last year. So I would say that our guidance would be in the similar pattern.
The first 6 months of this fiscal, the industry has already grown more than 10% now. So even if you assume a flat industry in the balance of the year, you will still grow more than 5%. So obviously the guidance, I think what the peers are giving, I think is right. So we have been saying it will be mid-single digit growth, so it can be anywhere between 5 to 7% now.